Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come. And welcome to the second part of my 38-piece fall capsule wardrobe series. Today I'm going to be styling all of these items on this rack to show you guys a variety of different outfit looks that you can do from this 38-piece capsule wardrobe alone. Now my approach for this is to use 2 to 3 base items and then interact some of these shoes and the purses in some of these outfit looks. And I am going to add a few accessory items that I already had in my closet just to show you how versatile all of these outfit looks can be with what you already have in your closet. So let's get started.
I've been watching you from afar, as I can remember. You're all a real man can need, never just for me. This is love. This is more than a crush.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Good getting shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Had to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. Tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need a man, got your own fence. Don't kid money, these grown men. Had a week, I'm up, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back at knees in. Bring 'em in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many, all in your direction. Choices like testing. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and you need to fall back.
The truth is fitting, cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie.
The blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow. It's staring out the window. Trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. You always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you. When I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you. When I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook. Checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. You're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah, 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 yeah. You're always hey, sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey, baby. I know. Baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now. Just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey, baby. I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy. Plenty so far we face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the boat. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out Shinabella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go. All the Bentley, the gas, ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting charity. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you lost somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it.
Alright you guys, that concludes my styling video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I used every single item that you see on this clothing rack, including a few accessory items that I already had in my closet just to kind of jazz up the looks a little bit. And that's the fun part. You can really just mix and mingle what you already have. That's the entire concept of a fall capsule wardrobe. It's sustainable, it's affordable, and it really just keeps you from like buying new trendy pieces every single season. I'm guilty of that, especially if there's a special occasion for me to go to. I always feel like I need to get something else to wear, something new to wear. You don't always have to do that, especially with this look. And to kind of jazz it up, make sure some of the base items have interesting textures to them, interesting patterns, or a nice tailored look to them. A couple of my blazers have different styles. One is like a regular relaxed, one is really tailored and structured, and one has gold hardware on it. So think of those fun elements to add to your capsule wardrobe. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you go back and watch the original 38-piece fall capsule wardrobe where I break down every single item. I also have the links to those as well, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box down below too. Some links are to exact items, some are not. Some are more like similar items that look similar to it because it was kind of hard to find some links. Of course, some of these items I've already had for a while, so that's why. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your favorite look in the comment section down below, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.